friends, I was just walking around my yard and I found a couple of things that inspired me to make a fairy home. So I wanted to show you. I found some rocks and some little toys, and then I found some sticks and some old seeds I hadn't planted yet, and some more sticks. And so I'll be putting them together to make a little garden. Have things around your yard like sticks or don't have a yard to play in, you can actually use anything you want. You can use recycled bottles, you can use scrap paper, or old toys. Things that you might find around your house would make perfect homes. Alright, I just finished planting all of my seeds, so they probably won't bloom and grow until about 2 weeks. So I'll keep you guys updated, and let me know if any of you make your own fairy gardens or fairy houses out of natural materials or recyclables or whatever you have around.